Hey, welcome back to another cooking video. Today I will be teaching you how I make my picadillo. And also I wanted to give a big thank you to the people that have subscribed. It means a lot. Well, I hope you guys like this video and enjoy. Okay, so this is what we're gonna need. Potatoes, cilantro, onion, garlic, this mixed vegetables, and then our seasonings. And then for the sauce, we're gonna need tomato and chipotle and onion. Okay, first we start by cooking our ground beef, and I add no oil to it. As usual, I like to take out all the little oil. Okay, now that I took out most of the oil, now we're going to add our seasoning. Very little garlic salt. More salt. And mix it around. Now we're gonna add our potatoes. A little bit of garlic, some cilantro, and our onion. Okay, we're gonna let it cook on low. Okay, so now for the sauce, we're gonna add tomato. I should have opened it all the way. And some chipotle. Onion, more tomato, a little bit of oregano, and garlic salt. And we're gonna add a little bit of water. We're gonna blend it, taste it. It's pretty spicy, so if you don't want it too spicy, then add another tomato. So I'm gonna add one more can of tomato, just so it's not too spicy. But if you like it spicy, then leave it as it is. Now we're going to add our sauce. And mix it around. We're gonna add a bay leaf. More cilantro. And our veggies. Which are these? Okay, now time for the veggies. You can add a little bit of water, but I don't like mine too watery. Okay, now that we have everything in it, we're just gonna let it finish cooking the potatoes and it should be done. That's how it should look. The potatoes are already nice and soft. And I did end up adding very little bit of water. So there is your picadillo. Okay, and that's how it looks when it's all done.